We tend to think of landscape as affecting us most strongly when we are in them or on them, when they offer us the primary sensation of touch and sight. But there are also the landscape we bear with us in the absentia, those places that live on in memory long after they have withdrawn in actuality. And such places retreat to the most often when we are most remote from them, are among the most important landscape we possess. Hello friends, my name is Mohini Sinha and I am an acrylic artist, and today we'll be painting two most magical landscape. Both the landscapes are unique in their own way. Their beauty, their calmness and their serenity speaks by itself. Both the paintings are divided into sections and we will be learning complete step by step blocking, layering, creating clouds and creating the landscapes, trees, bushes, everything in detail step by step. So hope you guys will like this and try out. So let's start with this magical beauty.